Good evening, ma'am. I am the mother of Adrian Patnaik, class 2C. All the online classes are progressing well. Sujata Handa is the class teacher, and also all those teachers are very cooperative. Children enjoy online classes, and we are totally satisfied with these classes. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am mother of Aradha Mishra, a student of class 5th A. Her online classes are going very well and her class teacher Ruby Ojha ma'am and other subject teachers are very cooperative and very helpful. Everything is going very well and she is also enjoying this new mode of teaching. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Anil Kumar, and I am father of class third student Ananya. Ma'am, all the classes, online classes, are going very well, and teachers will do very hard work to clear all the doubts of students, and students also enjoying their classes. So there is no hurry to. So please do not make any hurry to open the schools. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I'm mother of Manya Yadav of 5th C in KV number 2. Shobha ma'am is the class teacher, and I'm totally satisfied and I'm happy with the online classes. And I would like to thank the principal ma'am, all the teachers and the staff members who are helping to conduct the classes so smoothly and on proper schedule time. And I'm satisfied with the online classes because my daughter is staying at home, and even after staying at home she's in touch with the studies, and not only in studies, apart from that all the co-curricular activities. And thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am mother of Shreya Singh, class 2nd E. Her class teacher name is Priyanka ma'am, and I am totally satisfied with online classes and during this period, and I think all the children's enjoying their classes very well. Thank you.
I, Sajin, father of 50 student Veda. Under these difficult circumstances, the school has started its new academic section with online classes. We are quite happy and satisfied with this initiative. It has motivated my child Veda to attend the class with the same spirit as she attends the school. The teachers are very cooperative and they are making optimum utilization of resources through which they can make the concept even more clear. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, and all other teachers who are putting in their best efforts to make these online classes a great success. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am a mother of Sri Ramakrishna 4th A. All online classes are very doing well, ma'am. All teachers are very good. Regarding class teacher Meena ma'am, English teacher Shweta Kumari ma'am, maths teacher Rohit sir is doing exceptional very good. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am mother of Tak Sharma. He is in class 4th E. His class teacher name is Sindhu ma'am. I am happy with all the teachers of class 4th E that they are providing the online classes in very creative way, and the children are also enjoying attending online classes, and the big thing is that children are learning safely from home. I'm also thankful for all the KV staff that they are doing a wonderful job for our children. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, my name is Asghar Ali and I am father of Zishan Ali, 3rd F, and the teacher is Rajni Juglan, ma'am. We as a parent, we are fully satisfied with the online classes which are being conducted by the teachers. Teachers are very cooperative. They are taking full interest in conducting the classes. Children are also very interested in participating in the classes and the activities which are being conducted by the teachers on the online classes, let it be CEA or the classrooms. Children are taking keen interest in doing their homework, and they are enjoying the online classes, which is very new to them, but they have coped up with the things and they are doing well. We are fully satisfied with the things. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Narinder Jha, father of Nyasa Jha, 2nd A. I am very happy with online classes, and my best regard to all teachers, especially class teacher 2nd A, Silpi ma'am, for doing hard work to conduct successfully online classes. Thank you very much.
Good evening, ma'am. I am mother of Pratyush Kumar of class 2F. Online classes are going very well. All teachers are conducting classes regularly and efficiently. There is no issue as of now. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon to all. I am Jaswant Singh Rana, father of one of your student Ayush Rana 4th D. Ma'am, I just want to convey my regards towards online classes. All classes are going well. Our teachers are doing hard in pandemic. Ma'am, it's my humble request, please don't try to open primary school in pandemic until unless this COVID-19 is not over. Thank you and have a good day.